Speaker, let me just join the majority leader in expressing my disappointment. Speaker, if you look at the matters that we were to have conversations with the minister today, Nairobi is under attack from land grabbers. These are matters that are urgent. If you look at the order paper, Honorable Speaker, the College of Insurance in South Sea has been grabbed. The College of Insurance in South Sea. As we speak right now, they don't even have access to the college because the land grabber has fenced off the place. We are talking about land in Mbotela, land in Kasarani, Makadara, a playground in Buruburu Phase 5. My expectation was the minister would treat this one as urgent. Because you remember the last time, and to her credit, Honorable Speaker, she has been of help to the people of Nairobi before, when Tomboya Social Hall had been grabbed. If it was not the statement that was made here in the Senate to revoke that title, that land was gone. She must treat these issues with urgency. It is one thing, there are certain dockets, I think, that as a minister, you must know that these are matters of life and death. Things to do with health, Honorable Speaker. Things to do with land. Here in Nairobi, we are under siege. So we really need this minister to come through. And this is the only avenue we get to be able to have these conversations with her. We have lamented here before. We have expressed outrage before that the manner of communication, because all of us in leadership have had opportunity to travel. This travel is planned weeks, months in advance. You have to get visas, clearances. It is not a surprise. And we as a Senate do our best to write in good time to the people that we need to have conversations with here, so that they can be able to tell us, oh, by the way, in 2 weeks' time, I will not be in Nairobi and will not be able to join you in the sitting. So it is a bit contemptuous. It is a bit contemptuous. And I've also not seen the written responses from the ministry. Honorable Speaker, these are urgent matters. Even if she was not able to come, let her give us written responses so that we are able to know what is the situation with these parcels of land. We cannot afford any more time lost because, as I have said, we are under siege in Nairobi. So with those many remarks, Honorable Speaker, I think this one was a great disservice to us as a people of Nairobi, given how urgent these matters were. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.